Coventry City Glass. On a cold morning in Coventry, a homeowner notices condensation trapped between her window panes. The room feels chilly, the draft is getting worse, and another high energy bill sits on the table. Instead of replacing the entire window, she contacts Coventry City Glass, a trusted family-run glazing company serving homes and businesses across the West Midlands. With same-day appointments and a 24/7 emergency boarding-up service, help arrives quickly when it's needed most. For over 25 years, Coventry City Glass has specialised in replacing misted, double glazing and damaged glass. Our smart approach is simple: replace the panes, not the frames, helping customers save money while improving insulation and reducing heating costs. From replacement glass and shopfront repairs to mirrors, double glazing repairs, safety glass, cat flap installations and security upgrades, no job is too large or too small. Backed by 150 years of combined industry experience, council approval and 5-star reviews, Coventry City Glass has become Coventry's trusted choice for glass replacement, double glazing repairs and emergency glazing solutions. Whether it's a misted unit, a broken window or an urgent emergency, Coventry City Glass delivers fast, reliable service that protects your property and saves you money. Contact us on given details